So the first thing I got was... What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Alright, first things first, thank you for your response about doing 2 videos a week on this channel. I thought a lot about it and I think I can do some really nice and different things for you guys through it. Maybe make it a little fun. So today we have quite a lot to talk about. I'm going to show you some of my really nice pickups that I got recently. We'll also be announcing the new giveaway today for a brand new Jordan 1, and I will also share with you my plans for the second video every week. So let's get started. About the second video. So I've decided to keep it short and fun, like say 3-minute videos on every Monday. So it can keep more people in touch with what's happening with me and sneakers in India. In this segment, I will cover all the latest updates about my life around sneakers and this channel on the whole. Then I will cover more sneakers under our cop or drop topic. I will also do collabs with other YouTubers who are or want to get into sneakers. We will also bust some fake resellers and sneakerheads. And lastly, the most important aspect, I will review budget sneakers for you that you can actually consider and buy easily in India. Now since a lot of people comment on my videos and remind me that I'm an Indian, because apparently I forget I'm one. So keeping that in mind, I'm thinking to do these budget quick unboxings in Hindi or more like English. It is important for me to cater to everyone and I thought one relevant video in a local language won't hurt. I'm a little skeptical though, so again I want you guys to comment and let me know if you think that's a good idea. It may just turn out to be really funny, you may never know. Now, before I announce the giveaway, let's quickly go ahead and see where I spent my money this month. Now all the things you see today were sourced for me by Main Street. So if you are new here, then Main Street is India's premier reselling store who deal in everything hype. So if you are looking to buy some sneakers and streetwear, then you know who to contact. Also, a lot of you guys keep asking me about wanting a particular sneaker and not being able to find one here. Now there are thousands of things in the market and you cannot expect any reseller to have one out of those in your size when you want it. Therefore, there's something called sourcing. Now all these things that I'm going to show you were sourced for me. In the sense, I contacted Main Street and told them what I need to buy, put in a deposit, and then they found it for me from somewhere in the world and got it. So do not hesitate to request for a particular item that you need and then be patient. That's how it works. Now coming back. So the first thing I got was this LV Supreme hoodie. Now those of you who do not know, this was released first back in 2017 and it was the first time ever that a streetwear brand collaborated with a luxury brand. And since the time it released, I wanted it really bad, but it just so happened that I was not really able to buy it. I was expecting for the price to come down a little bit, but it never happened. So it retailed for about $935 if I'm not wrong, and was reselling for anything between $7,000 to $10,000. Now I got this for roughly about $5,000 and it is in pre-owned condition. Now why I got it in pre-owned condition is because I was not very sure about the sizing. So I wanted to first get it in pre-owned so I could try the size and eventually go in for a DS in the perfect size. So I got this in a size S to try, and I feel not that it's not fitting right, it is perfectly fine, but like I've said before also, I do not like to wear things like Salman Khan, and also it is a hoodie, so it's supposed to be a little comfy and cozy. So thank God I bought a pre-owned one to try. Nevertheless, I want to keep this till I find a DS one. A DS one is currently going for about $7,000 to $8,000. So I'm going to keep this till I can find one in my size, that is size M, and probably will take a look at it again when I get a brand new one in its original packaging and stuff like that. Anyways, moving on. Now next I got these 2 little cute figures, not figures actually, they are in fact one of the most wanted pieces of art currently. So their cause, obviously you all know about them. So these specific ones are called the Don't Lie Vinyl Companions. Now why I got these specific versions that are facing downwards, I'm going to tell you probably a little later when we see my house tour video, because I bought them with a very specific reason in mind. So these retail for about $220, and if you do not know, they are as hyped as probably Supreme for example, and they sell out in seconds from their website. Obviously I couldn't buy them on retail, it's very tough to know because they don't even announce the specific date and time when they are released. Either ways, I got them for about $350 each in resale, and probably it's a start because I'm a big fan of KAWS, although I haven't really bought one before, but I'm going to start collecting them from now onwards. Now this is the next item that I have purchased, and this is by far the most stupidest accessory that Supreme has ever come out with in the recent years. So as you can see, this is the money gun from Supreme. This released a couple years back if I'm not mistaken, and I do not know what it retailed for. All I know is that it's a pretty rare item and I was looking for it from a long time, and I finally got it thanks to Main Street again. So let's go ahead and open this and see how stupid this accessory actually is. So here is the money gun in the box, and it comes with a couple of these so you get these fake dollar bills and this gun which has a motor inside. I don't know if it runs on battery or you have to charge it. I haven't yet had the chance to try that out. So let me just show you how stupid and idiotic this $500 piece of accessory is. You put the bills inside and that's how it goes. It's pretty stupid. I don't know why did I buy this. Anyways, so these were all the things I picked up recently, and actually there were a couple more things like the Supreme mat that very recently released, but unfortunately it did not reach me in time when I was shooting this video. So anyways, moving on, now let's talk about the giveaway. So me and Main Street have come together to give away a pair of brand new Jordan 1s to one of you guys, and to participate all you have to do is follow 3 simple steps. Like this video and subscribe to my channel. Follow me and Main Street Marketplace on Instagram. Like my recent Instagram post and comment this. That's all. You are free to comment as many times as you want to increase your chances. But keep in mind, you have to comment on my Instagram post and not here. If you comment anything else than this, I will delete your entry. If you DM me about the giveaway, I will delete your entry again. Remember, winners are chosen randomly and not by my choice. So keep this a fun task, and please don't make it your life's goal to grab my attention towards your entry, as it doesn't really matter. I am doing this regularly for you guys, so please keep it casual. I will tell you in the next video about how and when are we going to announce the winner for this giveaway. And that's all from me for today. I'll see you next week. Peace.